I want to share with you these clear wireless headphones by SoundPEATS. They are so cool and they are just amazing to use. So they come with all of the information you need to get started with the headphones, a nice guide to walk you through how to set them up and get them started. And then we have this beautiful clear case. It's like clear black and it just looks so sleek, so modern, so cool. I'm just obsessed with how they look. And then we have this very interesting opening case. I love how it opens like this. And then we have our beautiful earbuds sitting inside. They pop right out. Place this down so that we can see for size here. And these headphones are super comfortable. They are so easy to pop in and out of your ear, and the sound is superb. And like I said, this little case, you pop them in and it's ready to take with you. And not only is this a case, it also charges the headphones. So you can charge the case itself with the Type-C charger, and your headphones are ready to go. And in this box, so you can also charge it with a Type-C charger, and they include one in the box. But these headphones are absolutely amazing. I love the clear look to them. It gives such a vintage 90s feel when things were clear and translucent, and I just absolutely love how they sound and how they look. So definitely grab you a pair.